Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for Robinhood. If you don't have a Robinhood account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get a free stock. Once you click on the link, you will be directed to this page. Here, you will see a button that says, Claim your free stock. Click on Claim your free stock now. Now, enter your legal first name and last name. Next, enter the email address and password you wish to use. Once entered, click on Continue. To verify your identity, you will be asked to solve a puzzle. To proceed, click on Start. The puzzle looks like this. However, the question might be different. For further identity verification, you will be asked some personal information. On the fields provided, enter your phone number and address. Then click on Continue. To verify your phone number, a 6-digit code will be sent. Select how you wish to receive the code, either via text or call. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on Continue. After that, you also need to enter your social security number, date of birth, and your citizenship. Then click on Continue. Now, you will be asked few questions about investing, such as how much investment experience you have, are you employed, are you or your family member a senior executive or shareholder of a publicly traded company, or if you or your family member works in stock exchange or brokerage. After that, review the following agreement. After reviewing, click on Agree and Accept. Next, read and review the brokerage account application agreement. To proceed, click on Review. Lastly, it will ask you to fund your account. If you wish to add funds now, click on the Fund Account button. However, in this video, I chose to do it later, so I clicked on I'll fund my account later. That's how you sign up for Robinhood. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.